but your job search still feels scattered. Let me show you how to fix that. Let's say you live in Bangalore and you want opportunities near you. So first, go to the Unstop website and then head to the internship section. Here, you'll find loads and loads of internship options. Use the location filter, search for Bengaluru, select Bengaluru. Now, as you can see, all the internships which are showing up are specifically in Bangalore. So no distractions and no irrelevant listing. Now, let's say you're a fresher looking for a full-time job. I'll switch to the job section for this. Here you'll find different kinds of job opportunities. Go to the filters option, change the user type to fresher or professionals. Go to the locations option, search for Bengaluru. Select Bengaluru. Now, you'll be seeing opportunities that actually match your profile and your city. This is how you stop applying randomly and start applying strategically.